Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an image in the shape of a circle in DaVinci Resolve. So how you can crop an image in a circle format in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So all you need, just download from the internet a circle, a black circle, or you can create a circle. It's up to you. You can create a circle, download the circle from the internet. And now the next method, what we have to do is just to move this under our video or image. And then what you have to do now is just go to inspector, and then here in inspector we have to go to composite, and here make sure you select this is the alpha, select alpha, and then the woman is select that video as well or image, and then here select foreground. As you can see now, we just crop the video in in this format, in a circle format. Now we can obviously move the image or the video. Just click on the video, and then here from here we can zoom, we can move it left or right, and now you can also add, maybe we want to add here solid background. It's very simple. Now we have a solid background. We can also add some shadow, maybe go here, and then here go right shadow. Where is it? In open effect, opus, and here drag it, and now we have some shadow here, but you can also add this to actually to the image, or yeah, you can do a bunch of stuff, but that's pretty much how you can crop the video, your video in a circle format. I really hope you learned something today, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.